Hey beautiful girls, welcome back to my channel. So today I am unboxing the August 2018 Frizeal subscription box. So the Frizeal subscription is a mix of beauty and lifestyle subscription, and it comes in two variants. One is the glitz and the second one is the shimmer. So I have ordered the glitz version and it came in packed in this white cardboard box. So let us go ahead and see what all I got in this box. So all the products came in beautifully bubble wrapped and were very securely packed. So this is the first product that I got in my Frizeal Glitz bag. So this is a cute sling which I have received, and have a look at this, friends. The bag is very handy, in a way small, it is very stylish. I like this crisscross pattern over here, and look at the closure button. It is a beautiful golden button and this is how it opens. So yeah, the opening is this much, and you can see another pocket here. Well, I can see another of my product inside here, and we also have a sling here to be attached. So you can attach the sling on one side here, and there is a zipper inside. So this is the zipper. It's lengthwise it's quite broad, but the depth is not too much, but I think this is a bag which can be carried easily. Okay, and this is how it looks on the rear side. So there is a zipper here. So the good part about this zipper is that this is a separate pouch altogether. So if you want to carry it, you can use this as a pouch. So this one too is a handy pouch. And so if you had to carry just some cash, mobile or something light, you could just detach this pouch from behind and take it along with you, or you could attach it again and use it as a single bag. I quite like this bag and I'm happy with the quality of the bag. Frizeal generally is a subscription box which adheres to a lot of quality. I love most of the products that come into Frizeal subscription box. All of them are very nice and good quality products. You may get one of the three colors in this bag. So I think there is a blue, there is a dusty rose pink, and the third one is a grey one, I guess. So you could get any one of the bag. The next product that I have received is this. So this is a kurti which I have got. It has got a golden print on it. It's a grey background with a golden print on it and a design on its neckline. This is quite a nice kurti. The material, the fabric is very nice. It is a 3/4 sleeves kurti, and this one is priced at rupees 1199. So I quite liked it. Of course, this is something which is absolutely a casual wear. You can use it. I love the kurti I got in my last month's Frizeal Glitz also. Very nice, color fast. I liked it and the material was quite good. So I like this too, except that the golden design on this is something that fades after a few wash. So I wish the print was a little different and not this golden one. But anyway, let's go ahead and see how long it lasts. But at the price of the bag, I think it is absolutely worth it. So I have got a long kurti. This is how it looks, and a sling till now. So this kurti can also be size customized. So there is a size chart and you could choose as per your size. There are color options to choose from. I chose this one because I like dark colors. There's a red and a blue one too if you would like to choose from one of them. The next is a lifestyle product. So this is the one that I chose. You could either choose an organizer or you could choose a manicure set, and I chose this simply because it is so cute and I am honestly liking this manicure set. You can keep it on your table, keep it handy, and it is a cute apple design with everything inside this. So there are two nail cutters, there is a tweezer, there is a scissor, there is a mirror, there is a filer and a cuticle cutter. So it is a complete manicure set, and what I like about this manicure set is, like, you get manicure sets in many subscription boxes but the quality of the set is not very nice. But here, let me show you the quality. Look at this nail cutter. So this is a nice sturdy nail cut, very good quality. So this is not the cheap roadside stuff, and you can just keep them and they will stay in place. Have a look at the Caesar too. So the shape of the Caesar is also very nice. So again, perfect, something that I like. Now we come to the jewellery section, friends. So you could choose jewelleries from the options which are here. So the first one that I chose is this one. Let us see it. So you have 2 earrings to choose, one necklace and either a bracelet or an anklet. So the first earring that I chose was this. It's a beautiful grey stylish earring, and this will go well on Indian as well as western wear. In fact, this will go very well on my kurti. As you can see, I am loving this one. The next one is a jhumki. I love jhumkis, and have a look at this jhumki, friends. This is so unique, so different. It has got a cute elephant ear, and this jhumki is in dual color. So you can pair this up with your Indian wear and will look perfect. It has got golden as well as silver. Again, this is a jhumki that I can pair with this dress too. So loving this second pair of my jewellery. Then we come to the bracelet or kadas. So there are 4 options you can choose from. I chose a plain kada. Let me show you how it looks on my hand. So this is how it looks. I quite like the look. It's simple, it's classy, it's nice. So this is my style of jewellery. Not that I wear too many bangles or kadas on my wrist, but I like this one. It's simple. You could choose from one of these options, friends. And the last one that I have in the jewellery section is this necklace. So this is a very nice sturdy necklace, and it is a medium length necklace with a beautiful chain here and a very simple and elegant design. So this is a design which you can carry on your saris. This is going to look very good on a sari. Of course, you can wear it with your western wear also. You can pair it with your denims or t-shirts and give it a boho look, but I am going to pair this up with a sari. It's beautiful, just perfect. I love this. And the last piece in the box is this. You could either choose a lipstick from Wet n Wild, or you could choose an eyeshadow. I chose to have a lipstick. I am a big lipstick fan. So this is the shade that I received. There were no choices in this, but I got this shade. It is E906D, and this is, it's touched a little. So this packet is sealed, as you can see. Let us open it. So this is in the shade Megalas lip color wine room, and it is priced at 295. So this is the worst part of the packaging. When you remove it, all the manufacturing expiry date has gone off, and the lipstick is a little, I mean, it has touched the lid a little, but nonetheless I don't think there is any issue with this. It's a beautiful shade and will definitely look nice on Indian skin tone. I like Wet n Wild cosmetics, so I am very happy to get this shade also. So these were all the products that I got in my Frizeal Glitz bag. I definitely think this is absolutely worth going for. Frizeal Glitz has given me an entire attire, including a bag and a dress, jewellery and makeup. So I quite love this month's subscription box. I have taken a long-term subscription box, and I am really happy with Frizeal. They are extremely professional. So I like the entire curation as a whole. I liked all the products. There isn't a single product which I did not like. Of course, that is also because you get to choose what you want, but yes, the selection also has to be good. So let me give Frizeal the credit of offering such beautiful options to choose from that it becomes very difficult to choose what I want. I'm so tempted. When I was choosing the earrings and the jewellery, I was wondering which one should I take. I want to take the other one also. Those were the thoughts that were going on in my mind. So it's always difficult for me to choose which jewellery I want to go in Frizeal. The quality of everything is extremely good. I am happy with this month's Frizeal Glitz bag. So friends, if you too like this subscription box, go ahead and order yours. The link will be mentioned in the description box below. So with that, we come to an end of this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Do click on the notification bell so that you do not miss any of my videos. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now. Love you all.